Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're new, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, please watch to the end, like and comment. Yeah, thank you guys for always watching my videos. So today guys, I'm telling you this story about this girl who loved gossiping. So let me tell you the background story. This girl, we met when I was after high school. Yeah, we met after high school. We met the sister after high school. She had finished she had finished primary. Yeah, that primary. And those days you would stay at home and then for a while and then you go to school. Yeah, so that's when we met and we started talking because she used to come to my neighborhood. Yeah, so we became friends, and now we became friends with her sister too. But now, those days, I just knew our sister was like spreading rumors. The sister I now met, the sister who became my friend first, like spreaded the rumors. But she didn't, she had some limits. She had some limits because she didn't spread rumors and make people become enemies. But this sister was always wanted to make people to hate you, your neighbors to hate you, and you to hate your neighbors. And there is no, if you can do that, you are the most evil person in the world. Yeah, if you can make neighbors hate each other, you're the most evil person in the world. Because if somebody has a problem, where should she and or he run to? It's the neighbor. So why do you want neighbors to hate themselves? And you're not even from the neighborhood. These people have just decided to make you their friend, even if you're not from the neighborhood. But now you want to start things, you want to make them hate each other, and then you'll be their only friend. No, that will not happen because neighbors will still meet. And you, if you break their friendship, you just stay alone. Because there's a way neighbors will talk and leave you there. Yeah, they will leave you there. Thanks so much, guys, for joining. So, guys, and then now our sister started this bad manners of coming to our home from morning to the night. Like she would eat all the meats in our home, in my house. So, guys, she used to come every day, every day, every day, every day. Yeah, from morning to night, she would eat all the meats until dinner. She would eat it. Like she used to wake up just in the morning from her house and come to my house. And then she started this bad manners of coming with her sister. Now she started coming with her sister. They used to do that every day, every day, every day. So there was this time they came. Yeah. And so we just started talking. And then after, now see, they ate all the meals. Yeah, they ate all the meals. And then this girl, when she just reached to her home, she told the person we were talking about that I was the one who said all the things she said. Because how could I know about that, the other person, yet this girl was her best friend? Now, how would I know a lot about that girl? Best friends are so bad. And then the other girl starts calling, putting all of us in the call and saying, what did you say about me? And me, I told her, you know what? Your best friend told you we said something about you. Where was she? Why could she not defend you when we were talking about you? Why could she not defend you? Why could she not say, stop talking about my friend? Why was she contributing? Meaning she's not a good friend. And as we are neighbors, she just wants us to hate each other. And I don't know how she'll benefit. because she's so evil. Because you can't just go to someone's house, eat all the meals, and then you just go and say what it and tell another person what you said, and just tell them that it's not even me that I said, is Karen that said that thing. How do you even do that? And I remember even one day I even gave her fare to go back home because she didn't have money. And you know what she says? Hey, you know what? Me, when I become rich, I'll just say I don't know all of you. Even if somebody had ever helped me, I will not help that person. I just say I don't know them or I ignore them. As much as she likes, as much as she likes flaunting or faking, what can I say? I don't know what to say. As much as huh? She cannot help somebody who helped her. She likes gossiping a lot and spreading rumors that are even fake. And now after that, she now wants us, huh, to contribute for her to go to school. And and I was even wondering does she want me to contribute when she made my neighbors hate me and me to hate my neighbors? Why does she want me to contribute? And she was forcing me to contribute. It's okay. I'm not saying this story to hurt someone, and I'm unapologetic saying this story. I'm just saying the way I felt about this story. I felt bad that somebody spreading fake rumors, and she was the one who said those things. Yeah, and if this person will ever watch this video, just know I never liked what you did. Yeah, because no one in this world can separate neighbors. You can't separate neighbors, but if you want to separate neighbors, you're someone who is so evil. Yeah, first of all, if you're not from the same neighborhood and people have just sacrificed themselves to be your friend, then why should you want to even separate them? That I will say and say again, that girl was so evil. And I don't care if she sees this video. I don't care. I don't care. Because she didn't care when she did what she didn't even care about other people's feelings. No, she didn't care. So even me, I don't care. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like the live stream, okay. No, like, comment. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. And don't be evil like her. Yeah, today I'm not even doing a long video. Thanks so much, guys, for joining. Bye, guys.